I'm Valerie Dison, and today I'm challenging myself to making burgers in 10 minutes for my family. Stay tuned. This video was inspired by Gordon Ramsay. I will leave the link to his video in my description box below. I will put the instructions and the ingredients of how I would tweak this for my next time I cook this recipe, also in my description box below. Alright, the cooking instructions. You want to pre-cut all the produce before starting your challenge. Heat the grill pan up to medium heat. Season beef mixture with salt and pepper. Then add egg yolk and grate frozen chili to taste. About 1 teaspoon on the video, and mix together. I used pre-pattied meat, so I skipped the egg yolk part, but I used it in the past and I want to do it again in the future. If you're going to make 4 pounds of meat like I want to make next time, and you want jalapeno in only half, make sure you separate and keep track with the ones that has jalapeno in it, because I forgot to do this and I had to rewatch the video before I served it to my family because my kids don't like jalapeno, which most kids don't. So yeah, the cheese kind of covers it up, so just make sure you keep track of it because the cheese is going to cover it later. Alright, the second step is to coat your grill pan with oil. I'm using grapeseed oil. Then form the patty, which, like I said, I already have the pre-pattied ones. If cooking in under 10 minutes, make your patties less than an inch. If you have time to make them bigger, then do so. Once formed, put on grill pan. If cooking quickly, press it down slightly. I probably should have done this because it did take a little while for this meat to cook, but I don't like pressing down because all those good juices just flows out. Add bacon in the air fryer, or however you like to cook your bacon. I personally had an air fryer right beside where I was filming, and I was adding it in between video takes. So I can begin cooking, or yeah, like I said, however you want to cook your bacon. Add onion if you have room. If not, get a separate pan if you want to, or you can do it later on this same pan. I personally, like I said, I want to do 4 pounds of hamburger meat next time because I was using 2 pounds in this video, and we only had 1 burger each because it was half-pound patties. So I'll probably just have a separate pan to do my onions next time, unless they all fit, which I haven't tried 8 patties yet. I don't think they might fit though. We'll see next time, the next go around. But you need to season your onions with salt and pepper and oil. Form sriracha mayo by mixing components. Add more sriracha for personal taste. And I will have the ingredients that I want to use next time and my instructions on how to make this, or how I want to try it for next time, in my description box below. You're going to flip the onions and bacon once cooked on one side. Flip burger once seared and cook through on one side. You will only flip once if you're lucky, which I ended up flipping an extra time. But just make sure your internal temperature is 160 Fahrenheit or higher. or you're going to have pink meat, and that's a no-go for me personally. As you finish cooking your burger, add a slice of cheddar cheese on it. This is like you're just cutting the heat off and you're leaving the burger, and the cheese is going to melt just with the leftover heat. Once cheese is melted, add burger cooked, remove from heat, and toast your buns in toaster. Assemble bun mayo mix, lettuce, tomato, burger, onions, bacon, mayo mixture, and top by the bun, and enjoy. The burger is done and smelling good. No waiting for this recipe to cool down. You can dig in as soon as it's done. The burger is nice and firm and cheesy with lots of flavor throughout. This is a great recipe for using hamburger meat. It is so convenient to grab a few items out of your produce area in the store, or already in your refrigerator, or maybe even out in your garden. Right now, I don't have a great garden going on, but I did grab my frozen jalapenos out of my freezer that I had from my garden that I just had already pre-frozen because I love making these burgers. But anyway, yeah, just grab items from your produce and the refrigerator and create a delicious, comforting meal. I hope you give this burger recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell to the subscribe and make sure that you get my future video recipes. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, I will see you buddies on my next video. Bye!